IRB personnel, Havildar killed in bomb and gun attack by Kuki militants at Moreh. 2 personnel, including 1 ASI, hurt. Firing still on. Kuki women block road at Technopal to stop state force from entering Moreh. 𝐍𝐞𝐰𝐬 murder accused Mate's mother dead in mishap. And state government asks Ministry of Home Affairs to provide helicopter for emergency use. Hello viewers, welcome to Northeast Window English News. I am 𝐍𝐞𝐰𝐬, giving you the latest news updates at this hour. Now the news in detail. In yet another Kuki militant attack on state force at different posts of state force at Moreh town, 1 IRB personnel and a Havildar were killed and 2 personnel, including an ASI of Manipur police, were hurt today. Fierce gunfight between Kuki militants and the state force is reportedly underway. The IRB personnel, identified as W. Samorjit of Malom, died after he sustained serious injuries when the Kuki militants launched guns and bombs attack on police commando post in 𝐂𝐄𝐲 area near key location point KLP of Assam Rifles around 5:30 this morning. The deceased was attached to the team of senior SP combat Nectar Sanjengbam. Currently, heavy firing is reportedly still on at Moreh Ward number 7 and Ward number 9. Report called from the incident site said the Kuki militants launched the attack on the state force personnel using sophisticated weapons, including sniper rifles and RPG bombs. The deceased Havildar was reportedly hit by bullet of sniper rifle. On the other hand, 1 ASI was injured in another Kuki attack on commando team at the Kunai Hotel at Moreh town. The injured ASI has been identified as Siddharth. He reportedly sustained bomb splinter injuries on his face. The injured have been airlifted from Moreh to RIMS. The situation of state force personnel is now very critical in Moreh. A voice message of SP in charge of Special Commando Unit TH Kristen Tombi station at Moreh for the past 3 months, briefing the present unrest at Moreh went viral on social media. Meanwhile, efforts are reportedly being made to send reinforcement at Moreh.
Bom thina re akoi ki bida bom akoi ki game mai sak ba horuk bane hokje akoi na hokje ba ma ge maro lo ka chene aduna akoi ki thabak to bane mayam kumai bane yemo akoi kanma la phi bi tra ka lai je akoi kamado ki mathok to bane mayam kumai bane yang bio.
On the other hand, large number of Kuki women have taken out the street and have started blocking road at Technopal to stop personnel of state force coming to Moreh. Earlier too, there had been incident of blocking road by Kuki women to stop entry of state force at Moreh when the Kuki militants intensified their attack on the state force. Meanwhile, a Kuki woman succumbed to her injuries after she was reportedly hit by a Casper vehicle of the Assam Rifles. The deceased woman, identified as Van Nelam, is reportedly the mother of 𝐍𝐞𝐰𝐬 murder accused Hamkholal Mate, who was recently arrested by Special Commando Unit. She was among the Kuki women who were blocking road restriction movement of Manipur police personnel. Commissioner of Home Department, Government of Manipur T. Ranjit has written to the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India, seeking immediate air assets helicopter for the next 7 days. The letter mentioned that the requisitions in this regard shall be considered as specific dates as per availability. It further highlighted that the law and order situation at the border town of Moreh has become a matter of serious concern, as there have been continuous exchange of fire taking place, and this has resulted in the death of 1 IRB personnel this morning. In view of the prevalent situation may deteriorate further at Moree. Medical emergency may arise anytime. Police department has also informed that there is also need for airlifting of security personnel ammunition extra to Moree. The latter added, requesting the Ministry of Home Affairs to provide MHA Air Asset helicopter to the state government and place it at Imphal immediately from today onwards for at least a period of 7 days to meet the emergency requirements. We will be back after a quick break.
Diabetes ko loy na hinglibasing tamagi manungda control to bangamlay. Urea creatinine wangbasu tamagi manungda hantaba ngamlay. Kung hamanungay tabasu numit manganigi manungda fahan bangamlay. Pile sabadi nungsang nabasu chama de chama fahan bangamlay. Cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oy bangamlay. BP wangbasu tamagi manungda normal oy bangamlay. Fatty liver oy basu tamagi manungda fagathan bangamlay. Pumnamak natural oy bahida makalna laying jabani. Hakchang da sokadaba side effect amata laite. Makata na hidak chabagi mathosu tararoy. Hena kupaparol gidamak ngasimak lengsin birau Diabetes Hospital Soibam Laikai Ayangpali Road opposite Karkinos Jennings Hospital Porompat Imphal East near Punjab National Bank.
Welcome you all to UNAPO School Channel, Imphal East, a fully residential school ranked Manipur #1 in All India School Ranking Awards 2023-24 by Education World in Co-Education Boarding School category. Academic session for 2024-25 will begin on 1st April 2024. Registrations are open for classes 4 to 9. Hurry up for registration.
Introducing a newbie challenge at SS Career Solution. Admission open for Sunday and daily classes. In this program, you will be able to be a powerful communicator, speak with tonality, get the pleasing personality, enhance your beauty and lifestyle. Sense of oneness and helping behaviors, table etiquettes, learn cleanliness and hygiene culture, art and craft as hobby, and culinary skills. Limited sets, so grab the opportunity. We also provide a specialized classes on main topic like vocabularies, voice and accent, intonation, and grammar. For more details, contact SS Career Solution, 2nd floor, Gypsy Building, Moree Market, Pauna Bazaar, Imphal. For more information, kindly do call us at 762-896-0947.
Welcome back. Members of Lumting Higher Secondary School High School Alumni 2000 batch have extended possible financial aid to bereaved families of 4 woodcutters of Kumbi Hautak who were killed by cookies when they went to Hautak forest to collect firewood. The alumni of the school drew the attention of the authority concerned to resolve the conflict at the earliest. Publicity Secretary of like-minded group LMG 𝐿𝐷𝐻𝐼𝐸 said that members of LMG have been able to extend monetary help to around 150 destitute families who could not afford medical treatment, whose houses have been gutted by fire, and who have encountered unfortunate events in a short span of 3 years. He also appealed to the people of the state to be part of an initiative of LMG and be a member of the group and help the needy. He said this to media on the sidelines of their visit to extend help to Gita of Tera Sapam Laikai Nomaithem Lake. I beg your pardon, Tera Sapam Dairak Nomaithem Laikai, who is currently undergoing treatment in a hospital. It may be mentioned that Gita's husband and son, who were sleeping in the same room, were found dead due to suffocation in the morning of January 8, while Gita was rushed to a hospital. The members of the group who went to extend help include Secretary Ozit Sorokhaibam, Kunjeswar Mangsatabam, Surendra Ningomba, Dr. Inauba Nomaithem, Brozendro Thongam, Boinau Maibam, Joy Thongam, Birla Salam, Sobita Maibam, Romola Laistram, and Sunibala Loitongbam. Speaking further, Rakesh Naram said, in a very unfortunate and rare incident in Manipur, Huidrom Hiramani and his son, Huidrom Kiranjit Elias Nanau, died in their sleep on the 8th of this month due to suffocation, while Gita, who was found unconscious in the same room, was admitted to a hospital. He said that LMG members extended 10,000 rupees to help in treatment of Geeta and to at least offer a flower to the father-son duo in their funeral service.
Yamna laiba kiba thaudo amakak hairiba laikai sta thoi madudi huidrom kiranjit nanau ghanachandra hairiba inaw asiga maki machanupa huidrom hiramani maitei hairiba aduga maki loinabi Geeta punna tumba ka manungduda laikhidaba aduga maki loinabi Geeta na haidi wakhal taadana kaada targa leirambadagi hospitalized tawraga nupidugi Geeta gi punchidi kalhoba siguma yamna manipurda hokiba thaudoksing manungda hoidongna yamna aki tujungba amadi amukta thoktriba mongi thaudoga sigi pawasi koina tajabadagi like minded group LMG manipurna laikhidraba hoidrom Kiranjit amadi maki machanupa hiramani gi mage lana thawramasi nangnanaba koi like minded group ki janen phandagi amadi mayamna mateng pangbirakpa senpham chingdagi koi lupa lising 10 khaktang maki lana thawram sidaida hayemtang layemtang katpada koina saruk yajaba madugi humanity service ki matodu unanabagi damata lakchabani.
Before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. IRB personnel Havildar killed in bomb and gun attacked by Kuki militants at Moreh. 2 personnel, including 1 ASI, hurt. Firing still on. Kuki women blocked road at Tengnopal to stop state force from entering Moreh. SDPO Singtham Anand murder accused Mate's murder, that at Mishap. And state government asks Ministry of Home Affairs to provide helicopter for emergency use. And that is all we have for now, but for more news updates, keep watching Northeast Window.